Hi, my name is Frank Burt Mills. I'm the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. Many restaurants, bars, and pubs have been closed due to the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Today we're going to show you how simply you can meet those requirements to reopen and serve basic foods using the Star Panini Sandwich Grill. Hi, we're going to do a pizzadilla on the Panini, and this is something that we've done a number of times. It's a unique product, simple to serve. Everybody loves pizza. So we've got a little pizza sauce, and we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce, and we're just going to scoot it around. It's on a 12-inch soft taco shell. And we put that on there, and I'll do this one in pepperoni. You know how personal pizzas are. I mean, you can do just about anything with a pizza. So I'm going to put down a little bit of pepperoni. It's great with onions. It's great with cold cuts. It's great with whatever you have. I mean, I've seen mac and cheese pizza. I've seen so many different types all around the world. You can do all kinds of crazy things with it. But the nice thing about it is it's personal and it's simple to do. When someone orders something unique, all you do is build it the same way, and the toppings are just a little bit different. So we're going to put some pepperoni on it, and we're going to put some nice cheese on it. Nice. So that's about 1.5 ounces of pepperoni and a little over 1 ounce of very fine shredded cheese. Now you could put sausage on it. You could put all kinds of different things on it. I'm going to make the basic. And I really like this as a touch. It's just a little bit of oregano, which brings out just a nice little flavor. So just a little spritz of oregano. And then all we do is put the top on, and we're going to move it to the panini. Okay, now we're going to put it on. This is a fairly quick cook. It might take up to 4 minutes depending upon the thickness of your tortilla. But we're going to go on. We're going to drop the top, and we're going to hit the button. And we're now counting down. We'll check it during the cook just a little bit. As I say, different thicknesses produce different times. Now you can get a lot thicker than this if you choose to. You can use a larger tortilla shell and fold it. There are a number of things you can do with it. Okay, now we've gone 2 minutes, and I think we're in pretty good shape here. And it looks great and brown. The cheese is melted beautifully. We're going to set it on the cutting board. And so make sure everything's nice and clear on the surface. Just remove all the carbons, and now we'll cut this. This is brown and crisp on both sides. Get a nice little crisp cut. You can hear it as you cut it. Get a nice crisp cut. You can hear it go crunch. And we'll cut it across. We'll cut it in 4. And there we go. And we have pizzadilla. And look at that. Look at how nice and runny that cheese is and the pepperoni. What a wonderful and simple appetizer or meal. You can make it larger and fold. You can do a number of different things that you want to do. Really simple stuff. Stuff with vegetables, onions, sausage, vegetables. Broccoli is great in it. Spinach is in it. You can actually put a fried egg in it. You can make an egg style. It's whatever you'd like to do, but it's simple to do. 2 minutes, 400 degrees, and you're there.